Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is simple, fun, and practical. We're still looking at linear equations with variables on both sides. Alright, and if this is the first video you're getting to see, do well to check the playlist. We have other videos. Alright, so we're looking at this example: 5x minus 2 equals 2x plus 7. So how do we solve this? So I'm going to use the balance method. Okay, remember we've talked about the shortcut. At the end of this video, we also talk about the shortcut. Okay, but first let's use the balance method, and we use the balance method to bring the variable to the left hand side and then take the constant to the right hand side. Okay, so we have 2x on this side. We want to bring it to the left hand side. So, and this 2x is positive. Because it's positive, we're going to subtract it from both sides. So when we subtract this 2x from both sides, then it will no longer appear here. So let's do that. Subtract 2x from both sides. All right, and remember why we're doing it from both sides, right? So that the equation remains balanced. So we have 5x minus 2 on this side, then we'll subtract 2x, and on this side we have 2x plus 7, we subtract 2x. So 2x minus 2x is off on that side, and then here we have 5x minus 2x, which will give us 3x, and then we still have the minus 2 on this side of the equation, right? So we have 3x minus 2, and then on the right hand side we have 7, okay, plus 7. So we have to take these two to the other side. So for us to do that, we have to add, since it's negative, we have to add 2 to both sides. So we add 2 to both sides, okay? And then on this side we have 3x minus 2. We add 2, right? So plus 2. That's what the instructions say. And then on the other side we have 7 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Then we are left with 3x equals to what? 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay? And then we divide both sides. Divide both sides by 3, right? So if we divide both sides by 3, we're going to have 3x divided by 3, and then 9 divided by 3. So 3 takes 3, and then we have x equals to 3, right? So now let's go over the shortcuts. So the shortcut is actually collecting like terms, okay? Collecting what? Like terms. So we already know that 5x minus 2 equals 2x plus 7. So collecting like terms means that we bring the like terms together, right? Okay, that was actually the same thing we have achieved with the balance method or the balance procedure. Okay, so we're going to bring the constants, the variables together, and then the constants together. But now using the shortcut means we're not going to subtract from both sides or add to both sides. We're just going to move the particular term we are concerned with. Okay, all right. So we move the 2x, positive 2x, to the left hand side. And when we do that, it means we are subtracting from both sides, right? Because the only thing that will take this 2 from here will be by subtraction. So that's why we say when you take a positive term across the equal sign, it becomes negative. All right, so because we are subtracting from both sides. So here we already have 5x, and then we take this 2 to the other side of the equal sign, and it becomes a negative 2x. All right, here we have 7 already, a positive 7. And then we're taking this negative 2 to the other side. Okay, we're taking the negative 2 to the other side. And you know that for us to eliminate a negative, we have to add, right? So that means we are adding 2 to both sides. The same reason why we say when you take a negative term to the other side of the equal sign, it turns to positive. So this becomes plus 2. All right. So negative 2 to this side, we have it as plus 2. Positive 2x to this side, we have it as negative 2x. All right. That's shorter, right? And faster. Okay, but you need to understand why. Okay. All right, so 5x minus 2x is 3x, and then 7 plus 2 is 9, right? So we divide both sides by 3, and then we have the value of 1x. So 3 divided 3 is 1, so that's 1x, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So our answer is correct. I know you like the shortcuts, all right? So, but you need to understand why we're doing what, okay? And then the basic principle is that when you're taking a positive term from the left-hand side to the right-hand side, it becomes negative, all right? From any side to any side, when you're crossing the equal sign, the term changes direction. So if it is positive, it gets to the other side as negative. If it is negative, it gets to the other side as positive, all right? One thing we have not done, can you remind me? Check. Yeah, you're right. So we need to check. Okay, so we know that x is equals to 3. So we replace x here, all right? So that means we're going to have 5 times 3 minus 2. And then we also have 2 times 3 plus 7, and see if they will be equal to the same thing. All right, so 5 times 3 is 15, right? And then 15 minus 2, 13. That's correct. Let's see on this side. 2 times 3, 6, right? And then 6 plus 7, 13. All right, beautiful. So that means our equation is balanced. It's correct. Okay, so always remember to do your check. Go over the video again. If you want to master the shortcuts, all right, the collecting like terms, the collection of like terms, you would also need to first understand why, all right? The balance method, the reason why we do balance, all right? Thank you. Don't forget to exercise in the comment, attempt it, and let's see how you're doing. Bye.